How to check recent activity on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can check up our recent activity on Android phone. So if you're also looking to check up your recent activity on Android phone, these are the process you may follow up. For that, head over and open up the main settings of your device. And once you're here, locate the option called Google right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and look out for data and privacy. So wait for it to be load on the screen, and you can head over to all services section if you want and look out for data and privacy here. Or if you can't find it here, you can go ahead and type in right here on the search bar. Type in data and privacy right here and hit that search. Once you're here, click on the very first option and then you will be seeing this section. So scroll down and you will be finding your history settings here. So to look out for the recent activity, you can just go ahead and look out for your web and app activity as well, your YouTube history, and your Maps timeline, different options available. You can follow up this method in order to check your recent activity on your Android device as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.